And hello, we have the good old Makita angle grinder DGA 452, and its lack of power in working. So we will check what's wrong with it. Of course, starting from the brushes. You can see that they are melted. Okay, so I will remove them. Just taking it out to check the armature. Armature looks good. You can see that the commutator needs to be cleaned. And opening the housing. The field left in the upper housing. The field is heavy, nice, of course, a lot of dust on it. Yep, you can see it looks nice, and now we can inspect the brush holder, of course the ball bearing retainer. And you can see that the carbon brush holder is melted. This brush can move, this even cannot move here, so I think we need a new brushes, new caps, and new carbon brush holder. And finally I received the replacement parts for this grinder. We have the brush holder, the brushes and the caps. Of course, I will start from the brush holder, and we can see that it goes here to the switch. I need a screwdriver to take it out, and the black and the red one. We'll push it with the wires. Okay, seems I've got them. This one goes to the recycle bin. And now we will check how it's better to manage the wires here. Seems fair to me. The one was like that, I think, or maybe like that. I don't know. Now, okay. Now I can fit the field here. Close the collar. It spins easily. Now goes the brushes. The brush cap. The second brush. Okay, it's still spinning around. That's a good sign. And now if you want, you can put it like this, you can put it like this for the right-handed, as you wish. And of course, if it's, for me it's better like this. but we'll leave it in this position. Now we can put the cores. And of course I need a battery to test it. It works and sounds good. So now the wheel guard can be mounted on and it can go back to work.